Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to take a look at how to solder Anderson PowerPole connector into your PocketPD. XC6A connector is similar, and we hope this tutorial will also give you an idea how to do that. First step is to remove all the screws at the back of the housing. These are Phillips screws. Once you do that, the main board should pop right off and separate between. Go ahead and also remove the encoder orange knob. Now, take your Anderson PowerPole and insert into the leftmost connector. Here I have this yellow tape called Kapton tape. It's a higher temperature tape but can be replaced with painter tape or masking tape. We are going to put it through the red banana jack and wrap around the board to secure the connector while we are soldering. Make sure to stay a little bit farther away from where we are going to solder. And then we're going to take a longer piece of masking tape to secure it to the platform. Then we just touch it slightly to make sure it's not moving anywhere. For soldering iron tip, you want to use the biggest tip possible for maximum heat conductions. Set the soldering iron to 350 degrees Celsius. Pretend the soldering iron tip, put it against one piece of metal, and slowly put solder from the other side. This process may take up to 10 seconds, but keep going until you have sufficient solder. Wait for a couple of seconds, remove your heat source, and then inspect your solder joint. Look around to see if we don't have a cold solder. Everything is smooth and shiny. If solder joint is good, go ahead and tape it back down and repeat the process for the other. Once the whole connector is soldered, do the final inspection check before removing the yellow tape. Next, take the PCB and put it to the bottom housing. For the top housing, ensure these 4 pins line up with what is on the PCB. If you're not sure, just put it on, and then you can plug in a USB-C cable to see if the screen boot up. If it is, then the connection is good. Put the screw back on, and then reinstall your encoder knob. And you are done. Happy hacking!